right, and what do you want to do?
Tapered?
And like a 2 on top?
Yeah.
All right, let's say 2 or 3.
Let's do 2.
Okay, I got you. And lineup or no lineup?
No, I know.
All right, sick. Guys, this is what his hair looks like before. You can see it. And this is, you'll see what it's gonna look like afterwards. Guys, I'm gonna use these clippers right here. Gonna pop on the number 2 guard right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the 2 all around. If there's any barbers out there and you guys like gloves, I'll show you what I use. And this is these level 3 gloves. And these will keep all the hair splinters out of you and everything else. I don't really use these for sanitary reasons. It's just kind of a hair splinter thing. Guys, I haven't made any videos because it's so hot in here that and you guys don't like the AC on because it makes noise, so I turned it off. Guys, that was a 2. This is just a 1.5. And then I'll go down to a 1 just to clean it up, make sure it's real polished, and then proceed to do the taper. Here goes that number 1 guard. Hey guys, so I drink coffee and I drink black coffee, nothing special. I won't even name the brand of coffee that I drink. But there was a company that was called Mushroom Coffee. And they said they're gonna send us some coffee. I have no clue what it is. Let's see, it says, yeah, and their Instagram is Drink Shroom Coffee, Mushroom Coffee. They're gonna send us something, we'll see what it is, how great it is, and we'll let you guys know. And thank you guys, Mushroom Coffee, and appreciate it. Let's see if it's any good. You guys all know I'll tell the truth. If it's not good, I'll tell you. If it's good, I'll also tell you. Let's see this action. Guys, nice and clean, making a slight arch. Taking the electric razor, coming in, going down with it just to kind of give it that nick, and then going up with it just to give it another blend. You know, so it goes into the zero there, and then this will come out just touching down and going up. Just so you can get the best blend. Softening it to give it a blend, and then coming up hard with it. And not pressing hard, just coming up is hard. It's, you know, taking everything away. All right, let's show you how easy it is to taper now. And watch this, guys, look. There's a couple ways you can do it. You can open up the guard all the way and make a guideline. I'm just gonna go ahead and free flow it. How I do that is I've went up just a little amount. I'll go up the same amount all the way up. If I want to make something different, then I'll go, you know, different lengths all the way up in a similar pattern. Hey guys, if you like what I do, subscribe to my channel. If you don't subscribe to my channel, thank you guys for watching anyway. If there's something you want to see, let me know. I'll show it to you. A haircut you want to see, whatever. Oh wow. And I'm gonna turn everything on right now. We just gotta just so it's yeah, sick. That is cool.
Okay, hi.
And what about you? No lineup?
No.
All right, that's what I thought. Watch, I got you. And you just blend everything into the bead too, so if you... Let's see what these guys are like. This way. On my Instagram, like a few people from the news followed me. So there's something happening for sure.
Good signs.
Yeah. Let's just cut this section and see what they think. cheesies here. You know what, dude? I'm gonna make you a fucking prison spread. Watch, I swear, I won't watch it. Let me get a house. Once I get a house, I'm gonna do a little get together. You'll be invited for sure. Every client will, but you will for sure. All the clients that are friends of mine, which is 90% of them. And guys on YouTube, I'm telling you the truth, I just haven't been recording because it's hot in here. So it's like, you know, and you guys don't want to hear that AC, so it's like, you know, it's just been challenging. It's right now we got to turn it back on, as a matter of fact. It's just hot. It's 100 degrees out here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Hey, and Albuquerque, the magazine, shout out to you guys in a bad way. It's sickening that you haven't recognized me or my shop. Me being the best barber in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and my shop being the best shop in the fucking world. And it's sad that you haven't recognized it and you keep handing the same award out to the same idiot. That's shocking. So, you know, Albuquerque, the magazine, you carry no validity. So if any guys you want to do a favor, go email that Albuquerque the magazine and let them know how shitty they are. So you have Barber of the year, it's the same person every year. It's like, geez. Guys, you got to figure out a different system on how to rate. You got someone with you know, a 5-star review that has 4.8 star review that has 4 reviews. We have 300 5-star reviews. Well, one day you're going to recognize us, and I'm not going to let you get the interview. And if there's a clipper company out there, let us know what's up. We'll start using your clippers. Let's get something going. Shout out to Irving Barber Company for their amazing straight blades. If you still haven't sent Ruby one, I had to give her one, so please send her one. The address to Sir Men's Salon. And again, guys, shout out to Mushroom Coffee. We'll be expecting the package, me and Ruby both, and we'll let you know how it is. Let's see first and foremost about the most important. It's because I'm used to your hair. That's where it's like.